Hi friends, today I'm going to tell about my 6 pet friends. They are not dogs, they are not cats, they are not fishes. They are beautiful living animals. Birds. They are known as budgies, which is their short name. Budgie is their full name. They grow about 7 to 8 inches and weigh about 1 ounce. Let me show you these 6 pet friends. They live outside our balcony and they listen me a lot. This, who I'm pointing to, is Edward. He is the blue guy. He likes to climb my finger. Let us try. Just 1 minute. See? Edward likes to climb my finger. Now, let us move to the next one. This one beside Edward is Coco. He is greenish black with blue on his tail and legs. He does not like to eat. This yellowish black green one with an orange beak is Story. She comes in different colors, so we think her as a vibrant bird. She likes to fight with her younger sister. This whitish blue one with black on her wings is Snowflake. She likes to fight with her elder sister, Tori. And Tori likes to fight with her younger sister, Snowflake. They also shout a lot. This guy is Snowy. He is cute. He is completely white with some black, grey and blue on his tail. And also has pink feet. He likes to eat food a lot, standing in the food bowl and getting inside this thing or that thing over there. And that's it. And see, before I end, Coco is about to eat. But let's see if he eats and let's be calm. He is eating. Those are healthy, nutritious food for budgies, which I just kept today.
Emily.
And Emily is just sitting up there. Snowy is swooping the tail. Snowflake is not knowing what to do. Now she went for eating with Coco, standing on the ball. Tori is just rubbing. Snowflake has come back. Coco has come back. And Edward is just sitting there being calm. Now, let me see who are the best. I think Edward, Coco are the best because they are so calm. And everybody likes Edward a lot. So, who do you like out of these 6 budgies? Comment down in the comments below. Thank you.